Look at the eagle, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you can see it. I don't know where the camera is on this thing. I think it's hunting something in the field. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, they're hunting something. Something gonna get it in the field. I find it so peaceful watching the eagles. I don't even know if I'm pointing in the right direction or anything. Okay. Enough of that. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so always distracting out here. I am going to get the lawnmower out now, and I'm going to level this area as best as I can. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope you're enjoying this weeding playlist. It's the real work of it all. Look, like I just can't. Look at that. Can you see that? Oh, dudes, it's so pretty. Anyways, okay, I am going to fire up the lawnmower. So you might you might want to turn down your volume on it because the lawnmower is quite loud, and this is where I find any garden tools left over from last year. Oh, there's like 3 of them in the sky now. Anyways, so hard to get anything done around here, you guys. So what do you think? Now, my garden cart used to be right here because it was all flowers. Now I'm going to move my garden cart back there. Hi! And gain a little room for the new pots that I'm starting. So, slugs. Slugs. Come get some slugs, eagles. Can you guys see them? Probably not. Oh, it's so close. It's so close to us. Wait. Oh. Here it comes. You guys see that? I'm pretty sure they're hunting my chickens. Okay, so that looks a lot better. So now I'm gonna kind of straighten that out a bit. Put my cart there. This is my vision. Finished doing over there. Not sure if I'm gonna leave these daisies. I may as well. They're standing up. I'll just head them and let them come again. And then I'm gonna do all of this area. I'm gonna try to leave my wild mustard seed because I really want to harvest it. And I'll do right up to here to this other lupin, which isn't looking very good. And I'll clean it all up, and then when I bring you guys back, look how tall my tomatoes are. Oh, there's a dragonfly. I am really so distracted when I'm out here, you guys. It's hard to pull off a video that makes any sense to you guys because I'm all like, oh, look at that, look at that. But it's like actually really all happening. So I just love sharing with you guys. I hope it brightened your day. The eagles are really active this last couple weeks. So I'm thinking that perhaps maybe they've had their babies and they're out hunting more now. And the cows, they want more apples. See, there's cows on the other side at the other part of the farm, and then there's cows like across the road, and then there's cows in this field. And these ones are begging for apples. Look at them all. They're like, give us apples. Hello. Hello. So I'm going to give them some apples. Hopefully I don't cause you guys seasickness trying to watch this. Apples. See, now watch. This bully cow will come over and push the babies out of the way. Which I don't really like it. But what do you do? Hi. There you go. Hi. How are ya? The big girls, they'll push the babies. If the babies get too many apples, they'll push them out of the way. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. See the eagle? Huh. Hello. Cows are pretty chill creatures. Look at that. It's definitely hunting. It's definitely hunting season for the eagles. I hope that maybe I can get it catching something, because that would be really epic. Right? So when I see the eagles, I always watch them because I've seen them snag, I think it was a rabbit once, out of the field, and I've seen them snag snakes. Like, because I don't think we get poisonous snakes, nothing I'm afraid of. Anyways, I've seen them catch snakes. See you later. I hope you had enough apples. But yeah, look at the garden. It looks so much better. Maybe not to you guys, but to me. And see this big borage? I gotta rip it out. There we go. Look at that. Look at the sunshine come in there. Yep, good call. These things are really super easy to rip out. The roots are super short. So technically, if I did this nicely, I could plant this somewhere else, but I have it coming up everywhere, so I'm okay. I keep the ones that I want, and the rest I feed to the chickens. So now that I thinned out these tomatoes, my nasturtiums are finally growing, so I'm very, very happy about that. And it looks so much better, right? The weeds were taller than the flower boxes, like the garden boxes. So now, well, over there, I just don't want to pull out medicinals. And I left the one evening primrose over here because it looks pretty. And I can put it in my water in the mornings. And, yeah, everything's coming along. Look at it. Doesn't that look so much better? Right? So, I ripped out all my strawberries. I'm not sure if I told you guys already. There was one that actually has something that looks like it might be fruit, so I left it. I harvested the long sage for making smudges. And these are almost ready. I think these ones, look at, almost ready. I can take their seeds. So I'm really excited to get those out of the garden because hello. Because look at the size of them. They're huge, you guys. Like, let me see how big this flower pot is. I don't know if you can see that, but... Oh, and look at me. My hummingbird feeder is empty. So I have to fill that today, too. I have so many hummingbird feeders, you guys. And when I'm out in the garden, they dive bomb at my head and whatnot. I think you guys have seen them in one of my videos, but I try to do it when they're not active because it'd be really... I think it'd be really weird to see that, how many hummingbirds come around my head. But I might bring you that too. So I am going to finish this up, and I don't know, if you enjoyed the video and stayed this long, put a little cow emoji in the comment section. It will warm my heart. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.